People finally realize freelancing is better than fighting the daily 9-to-5 rat race. Freelancing is rising yearly as workers want a way to control their schedules and workloads. Upwork and Fiverr is the popular freelance marketplace. As I talk about schedules and workloads, what does this mean? Flexibility, independence, and various possibilities to generate multiple income streams are reasons people are turning to freelance as a full-time career option. If you are starting as a freelancer, you want to start right on the career path that creates the most income. Am I right? Many new freelancers think this way, and that makes sense. If you are interested in making a stable income, working from home as a freelancer, you are in the right place because in this video, I will talk about the jobs that earn the most in the freelancing industry. The rise of e-commerce has made a strong online presence necessary for almost every business. Also, the internet has opened up many routes for businesses to grow and reach new markets and buyers around the world. According to Upwork's list of the most in-demand skills for 2022, web design is ranked number 1 with the highest demand. WordPress is second. Web developers design and create websites, taking responsibility for the site's appearance and functionality. Web developers will write code, use programming languages, and coordinate graphics and audio, and can often work with multiple clients over time to keep websites updated, create backup files, fix code issues, and edit and write content. A web developer can charge anywhere from $100 to $2,000 for a single project. If you're starting out and don't have much experience, check out Udemy's online web design courses. There are classes for every skill level and interest, so it's a great place to get your feet wet or upgrade your freelance skills. In a surprising turn of events, a new skill is born: social video marketing. This skill was ranked 3rd in the list of fastest-growing skills in Upwork Q2 2019. It's no wonder this skill is in high demand, especially given the rise of video content marketing. Growing social media channels like TikTok, Instagram video, and YouTube will keep this skill lit for years. If businesses and brands make videos, they also want to promote them to a large targeted audience. Suppose you have remarkable skills in creating excellent video content, optimizing it for SEO, and engaging targeted audiences with new ideas and marketing strategies. In that case, this new freelance skill can bring you many gigs. A quick search on the platform showed that this skill pays more than $150 per hour for marketers. This skill is perfect for you if you are creative and have an eye for design. Yes, I am talking about graphic design. Graphic design, in general, is a lucrative category on the platform, but logo design, in particular, has been in high demand in recent years. Graphic designing is a skill set that provides itself to many projects, from creating visuals for a website to social media infographics, website design, infographic creation, web development, user experience design, and more. To start as a freelance graphic designer, you must first focus on building your portfolio because your clients won't care as much about your past work experience or professional degrees as they do about your portfolio. Graphic designing is a competitive domain where beginner designers work for a lower fee to build a legit portfolio. But on the other hand, the pro designers can make $1,000 to $4,000 per project. Thanks to the boom in online marketing trends and the development of new methods, like inbound marketing, content writing is considered one of the most popular fields for freelancers. Every website needs content, and freelance writers are ready to meet those needs. This is another excellent freelance skill in demand. And the best thing about choosing writing as an online freelance job is that it doesn't require a lot of equipment to get started. You can use Microsoft Word or Google Suite to create and deliver your work, and you can do it anywhere at home, on the road, or wherever the winds take you. Although writing content is not that easy, in addition to excellent writing skills combined with a high English fluency level, this includes extensive research, advanced comprehension, and general knowledge. Most freelance writers charge anywhere from $0 and 5 cents to $1 per word by word count. This means between $50 and $1,000 per 1,000-word article. Generally, the more experience you have and the type of content you're producing will directly impact your pay rates. SEO marketing, also known as SEO marketing or SEM, search engine marketing, is another freelance skill in demand in 2022. This is a specific domain of digital marketing where freelance SEO experts have to ensure that a client's website appears on the first pages of search engines and attract more traffic as one of the most popular and high-paying freelance jobs. SEO marketing comes with a long list of required technical skills, such as understanding and analyzing the Google algorithm, keyword research, link building, and more. The list is long: page speed, rendering, slow loading, server-side redirect, and microdata tagging. You have to get expertise in one of them if you want to make a lucrative freelancer. Many SEO agencies or experts charge between $60 to $150/hour, while some reputable SEO experts quote rates of $1,000 to $1,200 per hour or even more. You guys think that content writers and copywriters are the same, but the reality is that copywriters are different from content marketers and writers. These freelancers specialize in writing content for website pages, products, services, etc. Freelance copywriting should be one of the best freelance skills one can acquire. Apart from remarkable value and high profits through considerable demands of the market, freelance copywriting can become your own business. Statistics have proven that copywriting is one of the few domains in high demand, regardless of the state of the economy. It simply means that as long as you have the expertise, you will likely become one of the highest-paid freelancers in the field. The hourly income of a freelance copywriter depends on their experience and skill level. And if you look at Upwork and Fiverr's list of top copywriters, you will see that charges for copywriting jobs range from $15 an hour to $100 an hour. Social media marketing is an essential part of brand and business marketing strategies. Almost every business, from small local coffee shops to big corporate brands, now use social networks to promote their products and brand. This opened up a massive door of opportunity for freelancers when most of these brands and businesses started looking for people to manage their social media channels for them. Now, it's a whole industry of its own. All you have to do is manage the client's social media accounts, posting and scheduling, and the needs of the client must be met. Quick searches on Fiverr and Upwork, Social Media Manager, charge $20 to $50 an hour for services. If you are good at putting together video clips and creating excellent video content, this can be a great career for the future. The demand for video editors in the freelance industry has increased in the last few years thanks to the opportunities offered by platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So what are you waiting for, guys? Show some transitions and get your feet wet on freelance seashore. Professional freelance video editors charge around $40 to $150 an hour or a project fee based on how long they think it will take. I hope you liked the video and make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.